Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and the following ACT Humanities problem is asking you to uh, sort of evaluate different possible inferences here to see which might be the best. Now, I've only included the first and the last paragraph just so that it's easier to read the text here, and this should give us enough information to answer this question. Thoreau expected his neighbors to view him as lazy and unproductive. This is the first answer choice. Um, well, it seems that after he sort of takes the time to be a seer, as he says, instead of a reader or a student, and hoe some beans, and spend some time out in the countryside, meditating upon the way that time is going by, rather than not even time necessarily itself, but just the present moment. Um, he believes, and he claims this here in line 45, that this was sheer idleness to his fellow townsmen. No doubt. So it seems that he expects, or he believes that his neighbors will view him as idle or lazy and unproductive. So that looks very right. This has to be the right answer. That said, let's go ahead and consider the others. The author aspired to meet the high expectations of his fellow townsmen. Definitely not. He didn't aspire to be like regular people here. He was trying to do something different. He was trying to, as it says here, read his fate, see what's before him, and walk into futurity rather than, I love this, walk, rather than just basically live waiting for something to happen with some end goal in mind rather than experiencing it. So, completely different. He's not doing what regular people do, he's exhorting us to do something in a different manner. The townsmen held generous and widely accepted opinions. Okay, maybe, but there's no indication in the passage that this is the case. What is a generous opinion? Maybe that they held many opinions? Sure, you can assume most people hold many opinions about many things. Are they all widely accepted? Potentially, if they're the townsmen, but maybe the people of that town did have opinions that weren't widely accepted. There's nothing in the passage that says anything about that. And since it does say from the passage, we need evidence from it. So let's go ahead and get rid of that one. The townsmen value personal development as productive. Maybe. We don't necessarily know this again. It seems that they care a lot more about time. The personal development part, though, could also be said to be a value of Thoreau. So this is a little bit strange. And again, you'll see no evidence for this in the passage. I hope that helped with this question, and happy prepping.